that one now, since you the transfer now, we will redo the survey. For another, we will carry us, we will go do survey. That's your phone remains. We will know what to do. But I did life now, no fit to talk. Call me back. I did life now. And no, I know you know nobody hear your conversation. Correct. Excuse me. But at the end of the day, we are in business on individual basis. Now the question now is, what will be the goal and objective? What will be the achievement we are going to achieve in the Nigerian political space? If you ask me, now zero we get. If not because of say we get working state government, by now we not get any stance at the federal level. When we say working state government, it did not start from Obaseki. From Oshomole regime down to Obaseki regime, we have been witnessing positive development. Regardless of political affiliation, we don't say Oshomole don't work because we see and say federal government was forced to send delegation to meet with him. And the Ijaw youth president came out to tell the minister of NDDC, who is in charge of NDDC, Ukpabi. He said they align strongly with the statement made by Topolu that if the federal government not organize the board of NDDC, sorry, they cannot guarantee the security, life and property of those working in the oil well. Immediately, government swing into action. Then the minister again moved to meet with the president of the Shekiri nation. They finished discussion, now the minister moved. The minister and the federal government came to meet those who threatens them and call for peace. Ask yourself a simple question. Who is the leader of Edo State? Outside politics, we know that the governor of Edo is the leader of Edo in terms of governor. Who will be the youth president of Edo when he be say if he speak, federal government will say yes, we don't hear. They go wrong come. In a day. If tomorrow now they organize the board, Edo only get the commissionership position, they sideline us from other area. Will they clear say we have been sidelined, we not go agree, we not go agree. Whereas the date as a people, we have not been able to organize ourselves to a level at which we can have somebody speaking and representing us as a president of the Benin nation or as a president of the Edo nation. None. Even if somebody try to emerge, an average Edo man will destroy him. But as we speak today, Ijo can speak, federal government will come. Ishekiri can speak, federal government will come. Edo speak, may we see whether federal government will come. Tompolo tout sabi, Tompolo, ask yourself a simple question. What is your stake as a people, the Edo nation? As we speak today, we get more than 2,000 groups in Edo. This one will say in a Benin Vanguard. This one will say Edo political this one will say Benin this one. Edo that one. No unity, no one voice. If, for example, you speak, now say the federal government must do what is right. Now still fellow Edo man will come counter you say, no. As we speak today, when you discuss about federal government, say the federal government is supposed. I watched a video today on Channels TV and one cry. One idiot from northern part of the country saying that they get the oil with the south region. Not that to be specific. As we speak today, we don't need Bayelsa, we don't need Rivers State. Edo State now here producing states. We said they get 80% oil derivation. What is our stake? What is our stake? This is a question that borders on public concern. What is our stake as an Edo man or woman? Now our people they celebrate that they say, oh, Tompolo, Tompolo. It is good. It is good. But while Tompolo is speaking, the leader of the Benin, the leader of the Edo nation, Afena, Esa, Edo, the Benin, supposed to have a leadership. When he will come and say, the Benin, the people of Edo State is telling the federal government, as we speak today, we did laugh east before saying they don't get leader. But today, Nnamdi Kanu has emerged as the leader of the eastern part of the country. Forget the age. A man who can order citizens not to leave their house in a specific day, and every citizen abide, not be small pikin food. When I see all these things, I go to wonder, say, how are we going to emerge like this as a people when we have refused to organize ourselves in a single group to agitate for what rightfully belongs to us? When Osakodo speak, instead of you to take what in a talk or pick from inside, you will say, go and tell the governor to do this. Whereas, the same way I supported the government, you supported the governor, and those who work against the governor work against the governor. But the truth of the matter is simple. We are all Edo citizens. There is no, now let's take an example. The Gelegele Seaport. It's a joint project with the federal government and the state. As we speak today, the state is putting all effort to achieve this. But the federal government doesn't care about it. You expect an average Lagosian to allow you to build a seaport in Edo? Are you aware that Gelegele links the UK? Are you aware that Gelegele links Portugal? Till date, the ship where they take come from Portuguese, where British take enter Edo, is still in Gelegele. The ship is still in Gelegele till tomorrow. These are ancient monuments. That ship when it enter, he's still in Gilligilly. But as we speak, if we have one person where all of us agree, say na him be this, where they speak, as of rep no fit say no work, governor no fit say no work, nobody go talk say no go work. For as long as the person is carrying the traditional mandate of the people. But here everybody dey do their man. If one talk, another one will come to bring them down. With a clap, with a play politics with virtually everything. And we think we are progressing. We are not. Want to. But let me tell you, when you have a leader, a pragmatic one, he go from there, not only one protest he go organize, send a clear message to the federal government, who level here, federal government will come to feast. But let one person emerge today. Say no, say now this guy now be leader. You come on when men they work on the last it. They know them. That one don't bath. At the end, everything will spoil. They'll go corner go the club. Unfortunately, you are only spoiling your chances of having a stance in the Nigerian state. On my part, I know go feel the hustle dey go, the hustle dey go, the hustle dey go, the hustle dey go. Without I no go tell you this one. Edo people, open your eye. If you not get channel of communication, we will never have seen. Not let anybody deceive you, say minority. Edo cannot be minority. If to say the Benin allow people to speak their language, Benin Republic today for the Benin because we conquer reach them. Now be Benin. Benin Republic where they call Benin, not be Benin, it's Benin, B-E-N-E-I-N. Benin. Some will say B-I-N-I. No, it is B-E-N-E-I-N. It is Benin. Benin Republic is Benin. But we refuse language. So not anybody. The Oba of Lagos came out to tell you that the Oba of Benin is his father. That time for us to stand and create a system that works. If you, because of federal government, create that kind of structure, that structure say will comport state government. The structure will comport state government. Have a rethink. Now, let's take an example. In Ijaw nation, no weapon wey no dey with them for creek. AK-47, RPG, SMG, the one that they call Kalashika, na be AK-47, AK-46 Mark 4, nothing wey no dey with them there. Government sef know say they get am, but for here only one poor passion wey you see for person you go report am. And you go always report am because that same person no go use that poor passion to take fight for the collective interest. You go dey look for person just wey wan go bust. One small pistol oka made wey dey do for Igu street, they go report to police say hello, this guy have an oka. All citizens in Edo not be because say federal government wan lis ten. Federal government know say this people get capacity to cause problem. They know. They have no option than to lis ten to them. Do you have the commanding force now, Edo people? Do you have that force to call on the federal government to lis ten to you? No. If you want to die tomorrow morning, come out from your house, go shout say, I have made aeroplane. The wish will come for your village go kill you. Say, Oviero Sapoli so again do I will play. Movie me one way. Oviero, they will kill you. And you expect progress? Thank God today we have been able to reduce courtesan related deaths to the barest minimum. And kudos to the vigilante group, not even the police. Kudos to the vigilante group, because when you give, since they never hear say word dey. When you give security to those who dey threaten the security, say make dem secure the place, you will be secure. When you use people wey be say na their territory be this, let's take an example in my community. You say you want security in the community, you can't give like me the security. I know one who I will go bust to make sure say security dey. But let's say you go bring one man from Bayelsa or from Kano, say make us secure my community. He cannot. Where you wan get the information? Without information, no security. So the point being made is very clear. If you watch out now, me I don't tire, but this thing they pay me on a daily basis. But you don't go bring and come and say one leader come in a AOC position, come be the leader. No, it's going to be a cycle. That person must be independent. First and foremost, people that come may not be qualified because we are already in government. We need leadership so that our voice can be heard. If you take this matter as joke, but at the bitter truth with you, I will tell you now. And if you never share this video, please share. If you never share, I beg share. Now this small message I get for us this Now the truth be that I was opportune to ask the MDI, okay, in case somebody come go do CFO for land wey no be him and they had a bring document and we call it that father say that person na get that land, can the CFO be withdrawn? Say no. You can only go to court. So not let the other person go get CFO for your property.